Drinking water in the swamp, the baboons were attacked by crocodiles. The two sides fought fiercely and no one gave up. With their inherent, the pack, when the dog's head actively chases away the crocodiles. The battle is even more intense when a crocodile grabs a baby monkey. The baby monkey's mother is at his weak point, but the mother is not afraid and still rushes to fight the Monkey's mother and daughter are finally reunited. An unlucky monkey was defeated by a large fish. The crocodile bit into the monkey's front legs, so the monkey struggled to get away. They had an extremely intense struggle. The monkey tried but was bitten by the crocodile's stronger and resulting in broken legs. This attack made the monkey scream in pain. This monkey tried to get rid of the swamp killer step by step. The lagoon is quite shallow. The monkeys on many other species have to go further to drink water. Here, the monkey is attacked. The crocodile raises its hideous teeth and grabs the monkey's head. After much resistance, the monkey escapes from the crocodile. Sea lion enters the hyena's territory to attack. Let's watch it now. Black night is the perfect time to start the hunt. While enjoying their meal, the hyenas had to receive an uninvited guest. The lion pounced on the hyena closest to it and unleashed a merciless attack. The battle was extremely fierce until another hyena intervened and the fight stopped. The result of the lion running into the deep forest to find a new target. The hyena is seriously injured. It's hard to survive tonight. The lion appears, disrupting the meal of the hyenas. The lion has caught the hyena. It tries to bite its opponent, showing the lion's determination to steal the prey. The hyena is known as the most sinister